right, we are back in it. Two of my cats are wrestling in a medium-sized cardboard box. It's pretty funny. Okay, so I don't know exactly what I want to tackle right now. I'm just gonna kind of figure it out. I feel like I say that half the time I get on here to work, but we're gonna figure it out. Right now, I just want to kind of get reacclimated, as I so often do. So we did that. I feel like that animation is just not consistent for some reason. Like, I swear it's just skipping the middle frame. But whatever. Looks pretty good anyway. Even when it's jacked up. So gotta kind of figure out what we might want to do with this. What might be cool if we start thinking about like how we can layer this in really interesting ways. Like, what if I had kind of a column here, and then there's a little like wraparound overhang, like a porch almost. That would be kind of cool. Let's start thinking about that. So, back on the main floor, gonna hide the floor or collapse the floors that we're not using right now. So I think if this would be covered up, right? Yeah, so I can't do that. What if we had like a pillar, maybe out to here, and then kind of keep that going? Am I not getting priority here? Oh, wow. Also, am I using the wrong wall? Or they just look really similar? Oh, we only have one. Oh, that's why. That's all right. So those are over the player. I think we have, what, a floor height of 4? Let's see what that looks like. So I want that to be connected to our top floor. So if I go down here, yeah, it looks about right. And so it would just be running up. Why does it look off, though? So we run it. Run this out. Second floor. Bear with me. We're figuring this out. So I just go like that. See how we have that now? I feel like my perspective is getting jacked up somehow. Somewhere. You know what might work is if we just, like, what if we extend this wall? Oops. I don't know about that. It's something I'm going to have to figure out at some point, how to handle this verticality in a better way. Why is that still there, though? Do I have to reload? Is that Mama in the box? Oh, oh, Mama. That looks right. that. And we can kind of make like a porch. Get into the yeah. So actually, that's gonna be Should just be able to do this. Oops. There we go. Let's see if that looks like a game. No, it doesn't really make sense, does it? I mean, that makes sense. I think. Maybe not. Let's just get rid of that. Oops. Just a second. Why can't I show the second floor? What's going on here? That's a new bug. Okay, let's save and reload. Get into the groove. Okay. So I think we can keep that, and I'll worry about how I'm going to handle the drawing later. Lock that thing. There we go. Just lock all these. Maybe we don't do that at all. Oops. Keep it simple. Oh, we can just do this. That's good. Do that, and then we go to the overplayer. Just like Back to where we were. Okay. It was worth a shot. I think. What the heck do I need here? If you're watching this live or recorded, do me a favor and let me know what you think I should be putting in here. I'm going to take a 1 minute break and just grab my drink. Not even 1 minute. Maybe I need to take a. Ew, dude. For some reason, I'm kind of picturing like a bunch of chairs. Like, what if this is a hidden staircase? That could be cool. uh, dancing, can I feel this? I think. Let's take a look at my setup here. Why isn't that? Yeah, we're gonna have a statue here, I think. And then you'll have to interact with the statue. We don't want that. We want my other notes. Wants these. Main. Although it really only makes sense if it's a downstairs one. Maybe it's something tall and you just have to walk behind it. Or interact with it and then the staircase comes down. That could work. So statue. Can I get the this keyboard. Holy crap, wait, is that the original one? Oh my gosh. Look how basic that is. These are so funny. I mean, they did a lot with a little. But I'm trying to go for a mix, somewhere in between the two. Let's save this. Like this one too. Probably do something like that eventually. Actually got a lot of good reference here. It's Realm of Darkness. Cool. Alright, so tonight I wanna dance. So we kind of reference that statue. Maybe I don't need that open. Maybe not. Let's put it like right there. Tonight. So let's do shapes. It's gonna be like that and oh well, that's okay. Yeah, we can. Get into that. It's tough with these low resolution sprites. Is there a middle gray? Oh, there is another gray I was missing. Okay. Maybe kind of like this. That's pretty nice. It's tricky. Statue might need to be 3 tiles. That could be too much though. Or we have the preview down there. Looks pretty good. Do we try and suggest arms? What color? It looks too much like nipples if we do it higher. It looks like it has a base. I don't think we needed that super dark. We do have this one. Oh, no, that's what I was using. We do like this. That'll do for that. And then, oops, instead of these crosses, I want to do stars. I don't have anything against religion. It's just I don't want to include those kind of symbols. So let's see. Let's also see that without that. Yeah, it's pretty good. Although the star is also what, the pentagram or a part of it? Maybe we use a moon. Is that it? Let's see. Moon. Ah, it is. Man, it's like all these symbols with the sky. Oh, I was gonna do the sun. I wasn't gonna do a star. Sun. Okay, so do. Since the sun is round, this might be a 2x2, and so it'll like kind of go right there. We'll figure it out. Maybe not that big. So I'll go in to an either way. It's kind of, you know what, we probably do want other kind of brush. Go back to that. I want to kind of get. So I think the center is probably too big. We can figure that out. Just like carve this thing. Oops. Might want to use look up traditional. Whoops, this is wrong. Shading's off. Kind of looking all right. Give it some detail. It just kind of looks like tentacles too much. You know what it looks like is that enemy from Final Fantasy, the Marlboro. Maybe we just put this in game and see how it looks. I might want to do this. Now, before I do that, let's get a copy of it. This is the new one, so let me modify this one. Like, what if it just had a little bit of a buffer, right? Then we just go and clean it up. Oh, that kind of sucks. We'll give it a shot. Important thing is we have that statue for which to hide things. And just for decoration. Gotta turn that off. So it's gonna be on there. Should be all right. Right, so like that would be on the over player, which means they're going to need the statue too. And so the head will go on that layer. It's on up top. Be the base. So let's see it there. Right? Maybe there's 3. A little bit too challenging without a hint. But see, you can see the stairs kind of poking out behind it. So I'd hope that the player would inspect that. That's my idea. You can see like, oh wait, let's make those solid before I forget. That door animation looks pretty good. Good, these have collision now. So the idea is that you would come in, you'd see like, wait, one of these looks different. So you go in there and boom. All right, that's pretty cool. And I think there are going to be chairs. And maybe we push this back a bit. Like there's too much room up here. Yeah, if we push it back, get some kind of chair, like a pew. It's not a good example of a pew, but let's see. What do they even call it in the game? The chapel? Maybe it's a chapel. I always thought it was House of Healing due to censorship, but I don't know. Just trying to find some pews. Could just do a bench. Some benches. It's a good platform. Saving it. That's funny. They're asking why is why is that a thing? If you don't know, that symbol came before you know, the Nazis that took it over, right? I forget what it's called. Like the original name. It's actually used in the original Zelda as a dungeon layout. But it means something like peace or something like that. It's kind of funny that it was taken and used for something so awful. Alright, so they've got like a table there. Let's just do a bench. What are you doing, cat? Cats are going wild. So get a bench. Just throw that in there. I don't know why it says shield. I mean, it's not really a bench either. Anyway, let's go back to base right. I think I'm just gonna like repurpose the table. Let me do it over here and just kind of squash it. And voila, you have a bench now. You gotta love it. And just kind of take the color. Does it go like that? No. Easy. I might even make one that has like a cushion. So you could do like, so it's gonna use that dark red. Just kind of lock that, and then we do like this. Maybe I line that with a little bit of, maybe it gets lined with yellow. I really need a darker red. I mean, I could try this. We're really getting into purple territory. It's like if we filled the middle with this kind of middle red. That's not terrible. I do like that. Yeah. Something like that. I don't know. We're kind of losing it. Losing the bench. I'll keep it. Alright, so now we have two benches. I keep calling it a bench. It's a stool. Might be losing my mind today. We're gonna roll with it. So first we have to grab that art. Bench, stools. I'm gonna stop saying bench. Let's call that. Ooh. So that's not going to contrast well, so we have to use the brown. Right? Maybe it's like, maybe these kind of alternate. Oops. Like that. Do we go all the way back? No, I like 3 rows. That's pretty nice. Ouch. That's my shin. Alright, so let's go check that out and see how it plays. How it looks in game. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Alright, so it's like, my thinking is it's a witch. She's kind of involved in something bad, right? I mean, if she's a witch, if she's a bad witch, that is. So maybe she has followers, and you come in and you're like, whoa, what is going on? Or maybe you already know about her misdeeds. Maybe it's like a cult that you're invading, and maybe we put some NPCs here. I think that would be a great idea. So maybe it's turning into like the Happy Happy cult from Earthbound. Shout out to the best cult that I know of. I like this. And maybe that doesn't unlock until you fight them. I'll write a little note for that. Let me know what you think. I'm always open to ideas. Maybe downstairs. It's a really good place right there. That's cool. Yeah, maybe there's one there. I forget who the. It's the. Try Pinky. And. So we can just duplicate them. I think I have to add facing to an export. So spreadsheet animation. I don't even know. Oh, here we go. Okay, so that's fine. But I do want to change this to right down. That's kind of how they default. Everything starts facing to the right. And that way I can reference that in the actor. Okay, cool. So, oops, I keep hitting that. Sorry. The facing on the actor is that. It's gonna be one. Why is that not coming up? Maybe it's because it's not in. It's in math, maybe. Back to the global's facing. I feel like we also need the reverse. Blow eyeballs. Up, down, right, left. Looks good. I can call that in actor. Oops. In order running. That should work. So now we want them facing up, which is going to be 3. Let's see if that works. Where am I going? What? What the hell? Is it these actors? I mean, it's not the actors, although they got moved. That's weird. So it must be this code. Hopefully, this is weird. Oh, I know. I think I know. I think I know what the problem is. The face convert back to the global space. I don't know how that would have broken. Spacing up. It's right there. That's why. All right, we got to keep that. Which means in here. That should be fine. Oh, jeez. Getting a weird, very weird sense of like deja vu here. Alright, so up is left, right is down. What the hell? I think they have to match this be down, up, left, right. There we go. And these guys actually, yeah, default to down is good. We want you at 1. On that. Doesn't look like it worked. Facing 1. Oh, because I commented that code out. There we go. Now we're talking. Can I get that going? Can we just get full screen here? There we go. So they don't have text yet. We have some fault followers. They're going to lead us to there. Hidden passage. Maybe I want to be one. Do, 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 do. I have 2 of these. That's the old one? Okay. Let's see. Get bumping. Oh, no good? Yeah, I think I might want to roll a different text. A different font, I mean. It might be too big, but let's give them some dialogue. Then just extend it. Like, which follower 0. I'm just gonna look this up. What's the general idea? So which prism? Oh, I named it wrong. Sorry. So yeah, let's keep it consistent. Just do that. make some dialogue for them. Might be like, I don't know, just you. I just need something to put in there for now. What? Oh, it's because I updated their script. No text box available. Oh, right. Let's try running it in the world. Do that. I need my world map first. So grab the player. Just get them over to that portal. Oh, it's really long walk. That's all right. We'll get some practice. That looks pretty good. We're off to fight the witch, 'cause she's a bit of a butthead. Alright, so we go up here. What? Wait. What? What? Where? It's changing it to a stool. Right. Interesting. We're gonna have to look at that. Did I overdraw? Oh, I know what I did. I'm almost certain I know what I did. Okay, I take it back. See, I thought I had put that there. And so when that gate was opening, I was just doing that, but I'm not, so we'll figure that out. Anyway. Yeah, I kind of like that bigger text for dialogue. It's maybe too big, but can rock that. Right now I want to test mainly that font. I'm going to go someplace that has lots of dialogue. Dude, what are you doing? Oh my gosh. What happened? Facing start is 3. Right, so they should just be facing down. Yo, making games is like why is it so hard? I guess if it was easy, everyone would do it. Alright, so I don't know what the heck is going on there. What are you looking? I don't know why she emphasizes true like that, or even says true. It's kind of weird. Alright, that was a difficult fight. What is going on with the king? So his dialogue works, but he's blinking for some reason. I don't know why they're facing right. That's weird. Some of this dialogue. Oh my gosh. Well, the good news is the text box scales. I think I do need to make it wider now, though, and increase the separation. It's also cutting off, I believe. And this one's kind of dumb. He like he gets everything wrong. What is he talking about? Sir Reggie. No, you're awful, but thank you. Oh my gosh. Alright, why are you blinking? We have to fix that. So, up, down, left, right. I think that's probably why. It needs to be 0. How did I get that wrong? So if we go back, they should be loading all right. And the king was blinking because he doesn't have full animation yet. He only has the down. Yeah, so we're good now. Let's try making that text box wider. Oh, wide. Just do that. Make the text will autofill. Nice. Let's do like. That's normally where I have it. So that's probably pretty good. I did not want to run that whole game. Testing it. Then I'm going to check the separation between lines after we test the new width. Yeah, this one's a lot easier to read. That's for sure. Do I set separation in here? Let's check it out. I think that's in the font, actually. Like, probably here. Maybe like this. Yeah, it's already showing up. 4 looks pretty good. We might even have to go wider. Was it just that? No, that's working. Okay, yes. Let's go wider. Dancing can't feel this free. Just gonna kind of simulate that. Let's try one more time. Oh, you know what it is, I think. I'm not setting the min size. There we go. Let's do what? Let's do like 80. Mm. 180. 6. That's a little too opaque, I think. Hey, I can't even click into my game. There we go. I don't know if I like this opacity. What if we just do a little bit less? I think that's about right. One of your servants? We shouldn't say that. King. Oh, is this still broken? Yeah. I'll get it. I think this GUI is consuming that input. To watch this. Oh my god. What? I thought that would fix it. Visible turn. Let's see. Do that way if we're not in the menu, that should work. Well, dang. So we're not getting to it now. That's good. Print name. Okay, it works. Why it wasn't working before. But now I can't go forward. Shit. Man, poop. A poo. Here we need. Why am I not just handling that here, actually? Which I thought I was already doing. Until I actually need it, I'm not going to use. I'm not going to keep that in the game. Works here. Check the recruiting. Okay, I think we're good. But that text box is breaking. The issue with the text box is that's off. I don't think we want to pulse a tree. That could have been the issue. You see we're getting red errors. Check that out. It's not respond. We re-roll. Alright, so the tree was not getting. That was the problem. We didn't want to pulse that tree. That text box. So it's re-rolling. Pretty good. And then I did not implement character indexes yet for them. Looks like everything's working. We got a sage, cleric, and a sage. Wow. I wasn't even checking. Let's see what these are. Oh, yeah, I've been getting that for a while. Not too worried about it. I think I need to get a drink real quick. I will be right back. Go back to the witch castle, close these out. Just having a little lunch. Be right back. Right. Let's see. Fix that. Doesn't. So we could make another kind of rug. Can I go here? Can't really see those statues now, though. Oh no, not that crap. Really? Like, the freaking. I can't get out of it. It's. Thank you, Godot. You're really driving me nuts with this glitch. Okay, it's spacebar. Okay. That you can see the stairs too easily. I think we just want to go back to that. Maybe not. I want a different style of carpet for this place. It's really hard to see the walls against the floor here. No, where's that tile? Floor red. Just try darker. That's more like it, yeah. But she's a witch, right? I mean, she would totally have blood red floor. Oops, wrong floor. That's what I'm thinking, at least. I didn't think of that. That's all right. Let me try and fix that carpet, that auto tile. Didn't use that. It's right here. Take a break soon. Kiddo will be coming over soon. I want to relax before that happens. Oops. gonna keep it simple so I can get an idea of what it looks like together. It's kind of cool. Like this. Gotta fix that. So basically, be two different kinds. And it goes down and diagonal. Go in, two, and boom. Did I mess something up? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this one's messed up. Let's go down. Oh crap. Soup was boiling over. That doesn't look right either. What am I doing wrong? Oh. Let's just be here. Each one's a little bit different. I think we're gonna do this one. So it's like so this one has to be flipped. What? It just has to be brought up, I think. Yeah. That's kind of cool. That's different, but pretty cool. This one, I don't really know. I don't know if we're gonna have this. I feel like it's always gonna be that shape. So I might not worry about that right now. So let's throw it in the game and see what happens. Alright, that already looks a lot better because we got rid of the junk that was in it. I go up here to paths and let's, oops, this one. Okay, so the singles do not work. Those look pretty good. Yeah, so like now we can kind of branch it off. Oops. Whoa, 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 whoa! Just cut my whole path layer. Now I'm on water. Oh my god. Yeah. Let's do something like this. I'm thinking we can bump these walls up. That's going to be. Over. Right. So that's going to be there. Maybe we put it there. Yeah, that's better. So the main floor needs those. Delete these. Yeah, maybe we split that up. That could be nice. The shadows. Yeah. So maybe this is storage. And then I don't know exactly what'll go there. Get these guys. A couple of those, I think. We're gonna have something here. We're getting there. Just trying to add some life to it, some depth. Right, like just having that overlapping, I think adds a lot. It adds a lot to the illusion. Okay, like this I have to fix. I never put a it goes on overplayer. We need to grab that right there. I think now we can probably run this through. Maybe even do it like that. Maybe that. And extend it out. No, I kind of liked how we have it. Connected though. That's all right. I think this path will probably end there. We can run it through. I might give the witch, like instead of that yellow trim, maybe the colors are a bit more ominous. Alright, like this would work good in a castle. We're gonna give her something different. So we're gonna duplicate this. So copy as carpet. I don't feel like we need all that. So is that? Just have to open up. Close that. Shift R. Get rid of that yellow. Yeah. Do like. Oh yeah. Now that's witchy. That's a witchy witch. I just have to tend to my stove real quick. Get my soup. I wonder if I could repurpose that for something. Like, it should probably just have that. So that goes on the path. Three by three, paste that guy. Oops. And I think it'll be as easy as that. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. I think we need some purple tile too, maybe. Now we're getting somewhere. Oh yeah. Although poor Ragnar's feet. His feet blend in with the carpet. I feel like I probably just need to give my players, or really all of the actors, shadow. Which I think I had. Go player and the actor. Just turn that thing on. Needs to be bigger. Hard to tell with that background. Yeah, that's a bit better. Too far off this side. So I can cut that, paste in this one. Oh, I cut the wrong one. I mean, I cut it and it overwrote my existing. So if we reload, they should all have shadows now. I think it's gonna look better. Yeah. I'll just have to tweak it. We could probably rotate it. Too short, I think. reload and see how it looks on the other actors and on the darker tones. It looks pretty good, I think. That animation looked really good there. Yeah, I think this is pretty good for the shadow. Alright, we're making progress. And the witch, I don't know. I don't know how we're going to handle her. I do have a sprite for her, but we'll get to that later. Alright, I'm taking my lunch break. I'll catch you around. Have a great day. Hey, you, right there. Thanks for tuning in. You take care, alright?